you solve this Hungary Olympiad maths question. So I recommend you to try this question out and then play the video. So hopefully you've tried. So let's go on to how to find a value for this. First thing that you can do is you can write the denominator in a simpler way. So if you got 20 to the power of 10, okay, 20 to the power of 10, how can we write that down? So 20 can be split by 2 times by 10. If we got 2 times by 10, we need the power of 10, so we're going to have this. So here's the rule. Different powers, different bases, but the same powers. The powers don't change, but the bases do. So this becomes 20 to the power of 10. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write this out as 10 to the power of 20 over 2 to the power of 10 times by 10 to the power of 10. And you might be wondering, what does that do? Well, here you can see that we can split this apart again, and we can write it down in a simpler way. If we write it as 1 over 2 to the power of 10 times by 10 to the power of 20 over 10 to the power of 10. If you multiply it out, you can see that this is the same thing as this, except it's just written in a better way. So you've got 10 to the power of 20 divided by 10 to the power of 10. The bases are the same this time, and the powers are different. When the powers are different and there's a division going on, we have something like a to the b to the power of b over a to the power of n. What you're going to do is you're going to take those powers and you're going to take them away from each other. So you've got the same base but a different power, and you're dividing. So when you're dividing, you're going to take away the powers. So you're going to have 10 to the power of 20, take away 10, 10. So 1 over 2 to the power of 10 times by 10 to the power of 10. Okay, let's write it out now. Times these two together. 10 to the power of 10 on the top, 2 to the power of 10 on the bottom. What you can see here, you've got same powers but different bases, so you can divide the bases out. What you're going to get is your final answer. 10 divided by 2 is 5. The power doesn't change, so we're going to have 10. The final answer is 5 to the power of 10.